Wanted to gift a knife set. Went with this one from Cook. Go ahead and open the box here. Comes with some instructions for someone who might not be familiar. And we've got some really nice looking knives in some great colors with protectors. Really nice. We have the poultry shears. Great leverage. These are rubberized plastic handles. Another large one. This one's great for bread with these kind of side serrations. Really like these easy to clean blade holders. As you can see, these are nice looking. They're going to be easy to clean and they look great. Nice bread knife. So this is a complete set. This would be a great gift along with a knife rack or a magnetic bar or even a knife block. These are some great neutral colors everyone's gonna like. And that's the last one. Hope this helps.